Hi, I'm Whitney with rosegoldmama.com. And if you feel overwhelmed by your to-do list, then you need to listen to this tip. If your to-do list is too long, if it feels impossible, if you feel sometimes like you're letting yourself down because you can't get through the whole list, that the list leaves you feeling more upset than feeling, successful. If you feel like you're procrastinating because of the list, you need to apply the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule helps your to-do list from getting too long. And it's pretty straightforward. The 2-minute rule is that you simply do anything that takes 2 minutes the moment it comes up. If it takes 2 minutes or less, just go ahead and do it. Don't even bother putting it on the list, just get it done. So a few examples of things that might take 2 minutes or less are washing a couple dishes. Not a sink full of dishes, but if there's 1 or 2 dishes that you're walking over to the sink, or you walk by the sink and you see there's a few dishes in there, just wash them. Get them out of there so that they don't build up into some monumental task. Same with, let's say, hanging your clothes. If you see a piece of clothing lying around, go ahead and pick it up and put it away. Rather than letting the entire, pile of clothes become this overwhelming and daunting thing staring at you from the chair in your corner. You can also rinse out the tub, right? These are things all related to housework, and I'm sure that, you look around your home and you can see where those are. This applies also to the office. If at work you need to send a quick email just to check in with someone, just send the email. And don't over engineer it. If you really just have one thing to ask, just ask that one thing, send out the quick email in the moment that you realize you need to do it. Same with making appointments. If you need to make an appointment with someone, go ahead and make that appointment in the moment that you realize you need to do it. If it's a quick kind of appointment to make, if it's going to take 2 minutes or less. So for the next week, look around your life and see where there are things that take 2 minutes or less and just get them done. This will help to reduce your to-do list. It's going to reduce your stress. You're actually going to start to feel more successful at the end of the day. And that is what you want, right? You want to go to bed feeling great. The 2-minute rule can help you to do that. If you like this tip, please go to my blog, rosegoldmama.com, to get even more advice on self-care, time management, and goal setting. And you can also get free printables. I've got to-do lists and schedules and self-care checklists, a whole slew of resources that are free just for you. Just come check it out at the blog. That's all you got to do.